Hi everyone, so today we're going to learn about processor. What is processor? A processor is an integrated circuit chip that interprets and carries out the basic instruction that operate a computer. A processor or CPU consists of two component or units, which is control unit and arithmetic logic unit. Control unit is a component of the processor that directs and coordinates most of the operations in the computer. It interprets each instruction of a program and then initiates the appropriate action to carry out. It controls communication and coordination between input or output devices. The next one is arithmetic logic unit. Arithmetic logic unit is a CPU component that capable of performing arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Comparison operations like equal to, less than, or more than between the two sets of data. Logical operations like AND, OR, and NOT. Next, we are going to discuss about machine cycle. As we know, the main duty of the CPU is to execute a program with a set of instructions in the main memory. The CPU operates by fetching an instruction, decoding it, executing the instruction, and then storing the result back in memory. As you can see in the picture, the machine cycle is a four-process cycle that includes reading and interpreting the machine language, executing the code, and then storing that code. The machine cycle involves four steps or operations, which are fetch, decode, execute, and store. Fetch is a process of getting an instruction from memory to execute it. This process is performed by control unit. Next is decode. Decode is the process of translate the retrieved instruction into a series of computer commands. In this process, the control unit analyzes the instruction, determines its type, and breaks it into a series of simple actions. Execute process involves the instructions of code as it specifies the CPU operation required. The program counter indicates the instruction sequence for computer. These instructions are arranged into the instructions register, and as each are executed, it increments the program counter so that the next instruction is stored in memory. Appropriate circuitry is then activated to perform the requested task. As soon as instructions have been executed, it restarts the machine cycle that begins the fetch step. If the instructions involve arithmetic operations or comparisons, ALU will execute the instruction by performing arithmetic, comparison, or logic operations on the corresponding data. The last step is store. Store is the process of writing the memory, where the control unit writes the results back to the memory. The following picture shows the example of machine cycle in iPod. That's all, and thank you for watching.